I'm very excited to have back with us today Kelly Callaway from those Callaways. And I love that you guys always have a variety of exciting homes to show us. And I hear you have an amazing one today.
This is an amazing home. My favorite thing about it is it's on over an acre.
Oh, nice.
And it's very open, so anyone can do whatever they want on the property. It has a long driveway up to the home.
Oh,
and
fun.
You go through a gated courtyard to the front door. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a large bonus room.
Where is this one located?
This one is off Scottsdale Road and Ashler Hills.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they've built that area up so nicely.
That is such a great location.
The master bedroom has a small sitting area with walk-in closets and custom shelves and drawers. It is a custom-built home, which
It
is
sounds
really
beautiful.
nice. It's very unique. Santa Fe architecture throughout with a rooftop view deck.
Oh, perfect. Well, okay, I know there's a lot of people that are going to want to jump on that for location alone,
And
let
the
alone,
views.
yeah. Well, and it's on an acre. That's amazing. So what's the price for this?
The price on this one is $575.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh my gosh, that is a steal. Okay, so people definitely need to be going and checking that one out, as well as I'm always saying, they need to call you, and if this isn't the house for them, I know you can help them get the correct house for them, or sell their home if they're looking for that as well. So
We would love that.
thank you for joining
Thank
us
you,
again.
Tiffany.